Hello? Hello?
Yeah, sir. This is Daniel with Benefit Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. So this call is about a new low-cost final expense insurance plan, which will design to cover 100% of your funeral and burial expenses. So just for my qualify purpose, what's your age, sir?
73.
In the age of 73, I do believe you make your own decisions.
I've been making my own decisions ever since I fired my caseworker, Anita Bath, and ever since I fired my lawyer, Saul Goodman.
Okay. So what you say? What's your age?
73.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I have a senior supervisor. He will further assist you and provide you more information. Would that be okay?
Yes, I look forward to speaking with the senior suppository.
Senior supervisor.
Oh, suppository, supervisor. When you're 73, it's all the same. So I look forward to speaking with this person.
So, just stay. Stay on. He will be coming here shortly, sir.
Okay.
And how's the day going so far? So good.
Well, I woke up this morning and I checked the Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello, hi sir, this is Sam calling you from your TV services. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine sir, thanks for asking. Actually sir, the reason of my call, we did not receive your last month cable bill sir. That's why I'm calling you, so you have to pay your bill today.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you tell me when you pay your bill sir? Your last monthly bill?
You're asking me how much it was? It was $300. Hello? 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 Are you a Gondu? Are you a Benchode? Are you a Moderchode? Are you a Chatia?
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello? Hello? Please like and subscribe. Thank you.